Hi, this is Mrs. Bostic. I just wanted to make a quick video on using your OneDrive app for business on your phone. Since the school gives you a OneDrive gives you a OneDrive account through your Office 365, you can easily use your OneDrive to store and organize everything. And especially during remote learning, you want to have everything in one place. So this is a great option. I know there's other apps like Cam Scanner and other apps you can use. You can use your phone to take photos, but if you do everything in your OneDrive, then it's all right there. And it works seamlessly with Blackboard, so you can upload easily anything that you need to submit for assignments, or maybe you need to email to a teacher, or perhaps maybe there's some problem and you have to resubmit it. You know exactly where it's located. So you want to download the OneDrive app for business. It looks like the little cloud here. It is for business because the school is providing it. So let's just click on it. Now, of course, I've already, there it is. I've already logged into my OneDrive account. So you'll probably have to use your email address and your password to log in. But then once you get it all set up, it should look exactly like your OneDrive on your computer. This is exactly how mine looks. And I just find it, like I said, really quick and easy. So you can scan. So I'm just going to go down here. There's the little camera button. The first option is a document. So it's actually capturing or scanning a document. So let's just go ahead and take it. Okay, and then it'll show you these lines, and then you want to make sure it's okay. And if you don't like it, you can cancel and try again. Of course, I don't have a document because it's a little bit tricky how I'm trying to record the video. But let's hit confirm. You say you like it. Then you get some choices down here. You can add another photo, so you can add multiple, or you can scan multiple documents if there's a front or back side. So that's a nice feature. And then you can crop them, and then there's some more options too. But let's just say we just needed this one. And I'm not going to go over everything that the app can do, but you guys are pretty savvy when it comes to figuring out things. So I know that you can play around and really figure out all the features that you need. Okay, here is scan from, okay, so since it's automatically going to save it, it's automatically going to put a name on the file. So here right there, it's scanned from 2020 8/24/03. So that doesn't help us. We don't really know what that means. So you want to name it something, just like you do your Word documents, just like you do any other documents you create in OneDrive. You need to save it with a name that you'll recognize. So let's just say it's for our agenda today. Okay, so then you have some options on where you want to put it. So I'll just put it in my ESS folder. Okay, I know, actually, let's just load it to the files to the front page. So then once it's done, give it a second, and then it should pop up and show that there's my agenda right there. And then, of course, I like to keep everything nice and neat and organized. So if I forgot to, I can always go ahead and I can move it into a folder if I forgot to organize it. But an easier way is if you're in my class, let me take that off. Okay, there we go. You should have already set up a sophomore year folder and then some classes. So let's just choose history. Now, if I take a photo or scan a document, it's automatically going to want to drop into this history folder. So let's take a photo this time. There we go. And we're going to scroll over to photo. Okay. And again, I'm just going to take a photo. It's going to be black because, of course, like I said, it's the little trick that I'm doing right now. So again, you have filters, crop, rotate. Let me just mention on rotate, us teachers, we really don't need to be grading, turning sideways, putting our heads sideways. So make sure you rotate the photo if necessary so that your orientation is correct. And that just makes it really nice for us. And then you're going to hit done. And again, even you can already see it's going to go directly in your history folder because remember we opened that already and that's where it's going to drop into. But that still doesn't mean you still have to name it. So you still want to name the assignment. Okay, so that you know exactly when you go to find it later, it has the right name and you're not trying to search through all your scans to figure out which one it is. So then I just click up here with this little arrow or check mark, sorry, not arrow, check mark. And then here it is, it's going to show that it's right now, it's in my history folder. Okay, so again, it's just some quick tips, but I highly recommend during this time during remote learning for you to use the OneDrive app. That way then you know it's already loading into your OneDrive app, like the same as on your Chromebook or on your desktop when you're logged in to your Office 365 account. All right, I hope this helped.